channel. I'm Ashley.
And I'm Alyssa.
And I'm Dad.
And we are the Kitty Cat Dolls. Meow.
Alright guys, this is our video. We're going to make slime for our contest winner. So congratulations to Smoothie Slime Shack. Hey! Hey! These were a little harder than expected.
They're very hard.
Yay! And we had a runner-up was Naomi Slimes. So we're going to make those for you guys. We'll be right back. Let's clean up our mess and we'll be right back. Alright, so we are going to be making the slime for our contest winners that we announced. So I'm going to start off, we're going to be making cloud slime. I'm going to make some snow real quick. So I just took a little bit in here. I don't even know if it's not exact measurements there. We're going to pour some water into it.
It's just the water first, like that's just the water.
Start stirring it up and hopefully we get some snow.
It looks like snow. It looks like snow, but it looks really satisfying. That smells weird. It looks very satisfying. It looks because of cheaply. Yep.
So now we have the snow made, we're going to set that aside and we're going to start the slime. So this time it's going to be a basic slime for the cloud slime. We are doing very minimal ingredients for this. So we're going to put our 1 cup of glue in.
We're going to use some water to thicken our slime.
Just a tad bit of water. I'll just throw it in there for you.
Okay.
That's it. That's all the water we're using. Get it stirred up. Let me get this water out right here. So you just want to get that stirred up with the water in there. And then we're going to move right on to the color. I'm doing yellow, she's doing purple, and then she's doing pink. So let's get a few drops in there.
I think I had to play so much before I was dark.
My slime. Because I added every ingredient.
Now that we got the color in there, get it all mixed in real. And I'm going to start off mine with a little bit of borax. I mix a teaspoon with a cup of water. Wait till it's clear. Once you start kneading it, that'll actually help get it less sticky as well. So just mix it all in together. It's going to feel sticky at first, but once you start kneading it, it'll start coming back.
Look at it.
Alright, so now we have it mixed up, as we have it kneaded, so now we're going to add our snow. So I guess it just depends. I'm going to add a little bit to mine, a little bit to Ash's, a little bit to Alyssa's.
Can we start mixing it in?
Yep, just like that. You just start mixing the snow in with your hands. It's easy, a lot easier with your hands.
Just like.
Just try to get it in the bowl to start with, so it doesn't get so messy. Just keep fluffing it around in there.
Oh, it feels amazing.
Just want to work that snow in there. And that's where the magic happens.
This is how in this snow will form the cloud.
Just gonna get all off here.
Do a little more snow in each. Don't have a whole lot more.
Yeah, I might have got some in my mouth.
Ew.
Oh, it's so warm and fluffy.
I know.
Well, it's not cold like real snow.
Mine was a little bit rubbery at first when I didn't have the snow in, but it turned it into more stretchy
in with yours?
I'm not.
I see to mix mine in more.
It's very stretchy. Not too sticky either.
I'm gonna get all.
It feels really good. So this
was a success.
Definitely a
you could probably add a little more snow if you'd like. We'll probably do that after we get off camera here. But I think it could use a little more snow, but it's
I know.
turned out very well.
It's actually. Guys, I think the snow might have made it a bit stickier because it feels like
So I'm gonna do a little more snow here.
it's really good. We're adding extra snow.
Extra snow won't hurt.
Wait, I want to.
It's just powder.
It looks like baking
Oh, it's
soda.
just powder. To begin with, you add the water. Yeah. Actually, I never used water when the first time I made the snow. I didn't.
Alright, so we have some more snow made.
Yay!
Best to do it in the bowl.
Ooh, it turned a lighter shade of purple. Just gross. Can I start mixing my name?
Yeah.
Ooh, super warm.
And super fluffy.
Alright, so we got more snow in there.
And the snow made it more fluffier and more stretchy. And it's so good.
This is proud. This is the bomb.com one. Bomb.com.
Alright, so that's all mixed in. I think it turned out very well. Just gonna continue mixing the rest of it in, but I would say it's a success and it turned out pretty good.
Yes, turned out.
So our winners of our contest will enjoy the slime we send them, and that's gonna be it for this video for tonight. Thank you guys for watching the Kitty Cat Dolls, and we will try to make another video soon within the next few days for you, and get another one on YouTube. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also leave us a comment on our Instagram, the Kitty Cat Dolls. If you have any questions, just send us a direct message on there. So thank you guys, and have a good night.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.